Hello again, we're back to word study, and this time we're going to study words that have certain spelling patterns to help us in our spelling when we write. So these first two words, can you read them? Faint, saint. What do those words have in common? They have the same pattern here, don't they? Oh, I have a marker that doesn't work. How about this one? They have this pattern, ain't, in both of them. Ain't. So we're going to write this as a pattern, a spelling pattern that we use in English. Can you think of another word that has that ain't in it? Faint, saint. I know. How about this one? Paint. Awesome. All right, let's try another one. Look down below. We have these two words. This one is breeze. This one is sneeze. What do they have in common? They do. They have double vowels and this ease together. So their category we do like this. Can you think of another word that goes there? Especially when it gets really cold outside. Freeze. That would be a good word. Okay, we have a couple more we're going to try. These are a little farther away. I hope that you can see them well. Can you read those two words? Pound and round. So what do they have the same? It is the ound. And what else would go there? Things that you hear, like these silly earrings. Can you hear them when I'm talking? So that word would be sound, the sound. And it has ound, and that would be our category, O-U-N-D. So we have lots of words that you hear the word ound, you hear that sound at the end of them, that ound, and then you spell it this way, O-U-N-D. Just like if you hear ain't at the end of a word, you would spell it A-I-N-T. And ease at the end of a word, you're going to spell it with double E's, and then a Z, and then another E, 3 E's altogether. We have, oh, I did 2 of these. Freeze, breeze, sneeze, breeze. I don't need to do that again, do I? So on your assignment for today, on your word study assignment, you're going to have a paper that looks like, well, you're not going to have a paper. It's on your Canvas. That has categories in it. There are 5 of them, I believe. Look at that, I did 5. Okay, and one of them is ain't, and one of them is ease, and one of them is ound, another one is each, and the last one is oose, like silly goose. I was a silly goose when I forgot that goose. Okay, so then there will be a list of words, and so on your paper you should be able to mark up the paper, the page, and you should be able to write the words that have the ain't underneath here, and the words that have the ease underneath here, and the words that have ound underneath there, and the words that have each underneath there, and the words that have oose underneath there. Now that's really easy, isn't it? But the next thing I want you to do is to think of another word that's not already here and add it to each list. One word at least for each list. Okay, now the assignment page on your assignment, like, you know, when you go to the link, gives you different directions. And I want you to ignore those directions and to do what I said. Write the words underneath here, read the words, and then make up a new word. Not make up a brand new word, but find a word that would also fit in that category. And that's how we spell them. Thanks.